Today I start class 3rd English NCERT book, lesson number 7. Little tiger, big tiger. Little tiger, big tiger. See here, first I'll read the lesson. This is one story about tiger, small tiger and his mother. See here, what will be there happen. First I read the lesson. Just you see. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. See, there was a mother tiger and her small tiger live in a forest. In which forest? That is a shady forest, big forest. In that forest, they stay there. When the sky was dark, when the sun set, after that they went for hunting. Mother tiger went for hunting. For deer or pig, for food. Deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother. When the mother tiger went for hunting, that time the little tiger was stay with his mother. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud harsh call. Watch out, a tiger is coming. The sambar deer bellowed, the cocker deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. She hunted then for jungle fowl, for pheasant and for frog, or went to the river for fish, but she did not hunt every night. See, when the tiger went for hunting, that time all the animals in the forest, they ran. They go far away, isn't it? They ran when the tiger is coming for hunting. That time they ran. Every animals ran, like deer and then frog, then monkey, peasant. They all are ran from that particular place. But every time that mother tiger, every night the mother tiger is not went for hunting. Only 1 or 2 nights they went for hunting. Can we go next stanza? See there. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. That twitched the tip of her tail, and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. See here, the word twitched. Underline that word, twitched and pounced. See there, these are new words, no? Twitched means to give a sudden jerk, Then pounced means to attack suddenly, See, if the moon was bright, when the mother tiger went for hunting, when the moon was bright, when the moon day there will be moon was bright, no? That time they went for hunting. The mother tiger lay down, waited for the dawn. She twitched the tip of her tail. Twitched means to give a sudden jerk. His tail in the picture, can you see? This is when this is twitched. This is called twitched. Jerk, sudden jerk. The tip of her tail, and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. Pounce means to attack suddenly. When the mother tiger will move for that place, that time the little tiger take his tail and move behind. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. See in the next page, if he went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. When the little tiger go far from her mother. That time her mother called him back with a low and quiet grunt. The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. But that little tiger was not ready to stay with his mother. He too want for hunt. That's why they were searching the animals. One night, the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog and caught it, and turned to show his mother, but she was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. See here, one night her mother was tired, so he closed his eyes. Big tiger closed his eyes. That time the little tiger cub saw one tiny small frog. Tiny means small, little frog hopping along the ground. When the little tiger saw this one, the tiger cub pounced. Pounce means the tiger cub attacked suddenly to the frog, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog. He chased the frog and caught it, and turned to show his mother and take that frog in his mouth, and went for to show his mother. But in that place his mother not there. But in that place he saw one big tiger. Can you go next page? Yes, next para. See there. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. See there, glistened. Underline this word. Glistens means to shine with the sparkling light. When he saw that big tiger, his eyes was glistened. The tiger cub was frightened. That time, the tiger cub was frightened. The tiger cub has fear. He could not hide, but he could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. That time he let the frog away. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. But a roar filled the jungle. The roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar, a loud big tiger roar, to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. That time he heard his mother's roaring sound. He roared very big sound. Roar means big sound. He roared that sound that little cub heard, and he too tried to roar. See there, next, like her mother. All other animals when the other animals hear this sound, means I am his hero. So remaining animals ran from that particular place. When the other animal hears this sound, animals ran from that place. Other animals in the jungle kept far away. They go far away, dura. Can we go next page? Yes. In the next page, see there, the tiger cub also liked to roar. A loud tiger cub roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there. When he heard his mother's roaring sound, he too he too do like that sound, roaring sound, because tiger is there. The other animals can understand, but all the other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all, and no one of them ran away because he was small, no, that time. So his sound is also very low. So that's why the remaining animals cannot be ran from that place. But next see there. But there came a year when the small tiger cub was a full grown tiger. But when after some years that little cub was grown and he became a big tiger. He walked for miles alone, and also he walked for a long route hunting for game at night, and also he went for hunting in the night. When he rode to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, and also when he rode, other animals can understand the tiger is here. All other animals in the jungle kept far away. That when other animals heard this sound, they went far away. And the big tiger that had been a small tiger cub, hearing his own loud roar. Now he has his own loud roars. So smiled to himself, a great big tiger smile. That time when he roared, all animals go from that place. He become happy, and also he smiled himself because I am a big tiger. See, this lesson is written by Lewis Hamilton Fowler. Okay, just you read and learn this lesson. Remaining exercise part we'll see in the next class. Okay, bye. Thank you. You read this lesson. Okay, children. Bye.